Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Wednesday, October 26, 2011. We're just going to go over the trades that we took this morning in the live trading room. I'll quickly give you the results from the live trading room. We had plus 8 ticks on the ES. You can see it right there, plus 8 ticks on the ES. I don't know why this is doing this. There's some sort of memory issue. But we're plus 8 ticks on the ES this morning. Nothing on the YM. I don't think we even had a trade on the YM. Oh, we did have one trade on the YM. Sorry, we had one trade on the YM, and I'll go back and go over that as well. But the trades that we took this morning on the ES, I highlighted the ones that we took. They're either going to be highlighted in brown or yellow or orange. There won't be any orange ones this morning, but the brown ones are the George trade, we'll say. Now, this morning there was one right here that I moved my stop to break even when it got within a tick of the profit target, and it came back and got me a break even. The entry was actually back here. I believe that was the entry, or was that the exit? No, that was the exit. The entry was right over here. I shorted right there, and it went down within a tick of my profit target right here, and so I moved my stop up to break even. Came back, hit me a break even, then it went through the profit target. There was an entry right in here that I missed. Okay, I think that was a valid entry right in there that I totally missed. Now for our regular trades, this move here, it moved down so quickly that we didn't get any opportunity in there. Then we had a double bottom right inside the zone, so we weren't going to trade into the zone. So you can see right here at this point in the day, right now we're at break even. That first trade that we took got us out at break even after going 7 ticks in our favor. All through here, we didn't have any more trade opportunities. You see this important area that Dwayne had mentioned just a second ago. It dropped out of that very quickly, and it came back up here, and we entered in a trade right here as well. Okay, we went short right here this is where we got our 8 ticks. We got our 8 ticks, and then it went right down to this next area. This was the V bottom that Dwayne was talking about, that Dwayne just showed you a few minutes ago. Okay, and it moved up off of that. All right, we didn't have any opportunity in here. There were no other trade opportunities all through here. Now we're into our break period here. Okay, during the break right here, there was no trade because we would have needed a higher swing right here. All right, then it went into the area again right there that Dwayne was just pointing out to you. And now it's chopping around inside that area right there. Okay. So what we're looking for here is for a move down off of this area at this point. That's what I would anticipate, is a move down off of this area. Those are the trades we had this morning. Okay. On the ES, we didn't take any trades over here on the 10,000 contract chart. Nothing set up for us in the morning. Nothing that was within the trading plan. Okay. Over here on the YM, we didn't have a difficult morning on the YM. We just had, because the market ran so fast this morning, we just didn't have as many opportunities as we normally do. Right here, I didn't take this trade because I didn't like the way the bars were pulling back up to the BBC, and because at the time we were right on top of a zone over here on the ES. So I was afraid we were going to bounce off the zone through the BBC and keep going, and we had some pretty good momentum on this bar. Dwayne actually took this trade, and I don't know if he got break even or 10 ticks on it, but I didn't take that trade. I did over here, though. We had divergence down here, so I was waiting for a close down below the MA1 where my entry could be within 7 ticks of the MA1, so my stop would be on the other side of the MA1. And we entered in there, and it dropped down here like this. It gave us a fair amount of profit, 7 or 8 ticks, and then it pulls back up and stopped us out at break even. That was our 1 YM trade this morning. So we got a break even on the YM and plus 8 ticks on the ES. Scrolling through here, you can see we had a pullback up here, but we weren't going to short right into the zone. And then this was during our break right here where we had the bullish cross and a pullback down to the BBC right here. This would have been an entry right here. Okay. And that would have been it for the morning on the YM. We had a lot of movement. It was just really fast. That was the problem with it. Okay, so that's it. That's the whole morning. All right. If anybody has any questions, just type them in and I'll answer them. But let me see. I don't see any questions at all in here. So without any further ado, I will end the recording and then we can move on to the rest.